Hello guys, I'm here to show you the problem related to Python. Um, do you get this error if you type Python? Yeah, Python is just trying to drag you to the Microsoft Store to install Python where you have already installed Python on the system. Or if you will type Python version, and we see Python was not found, run without argument. Or if we try to check the Python, we want to see the PIP, which is the package management for Python packages. If we try to search for that, and then we see it's not recognized as internal or external command. So today I'm going to show you why you have this, why you have installed this one. For my case, I have installed the Python. If I go to my system, let's see if I go to this PC and then we go to C, we come here. You see here I have the Python 39. And if you click here, you see it has all these also scripts. It has the pip and pip 1.3.9 and 3. You see, so I have all these installed on my system, but still it's not recognized on my. Okay, the reason why you don't see it here is because we need to add the path to add this Python that I showed you here. We need to add this to the path. We can add this is the directory that we add in the path, and then this command line then you can just see where it's installed. So, and to do that, there's so many ways to do that. So you can either if you're using Windows 10, you can right click on this window here, and then you go to the settings, or let's say go to the system, the ones you see the advanced system settings, and then you have the environment variable here. Okay, that's one way. The easiest way is to search, because Windows 10 nowadays very easy to navigate to any service. So you can just type this environment variables here at the search. And you can see it here, it's coming here already. So we click this and then we type environment. Okay, this is environmental variable for the user, and we need to search for this one. Because if you search for this, then this is not enabled. It's deactivated. This is activated. This is deactivated. So we have to search for system variables. So system. Okay, you see it here. It's here, and here you can see. Okay, we come here. So again, if you have user variables, I'll show you one of these, how you can set it. For example, good practice of setting these variables. So you user variables, we set the variable here. Let's say we can set, we can do like Java home, and then we go to where the Java is installed, and then we add it here. You see, so we add the name of the program and then where it's installed, and then you accept, and then later you come back here to the system variable here, and then look for this path, and then you edit the path. Once you add the system variable, then you use the name, that name, put this percentage in between. You put the name and then slash where exactly. Maybe it's installed on the bin or on the script, so you can just do this. But today I'm going to show you this other way of doing it, which is directly I'm going to edit this. And here, these are the path. So we need to add, is the simplest and easiest, so you can just add the where you have installed the Python. And where we have installed, it depends on your system. So you just go to, in my case, it's C, on C, and it's here. So I just click this and copy. Control C, and then I have it here. And then I'll bring it back here to this editing variable, and then I just put new, and then drop it here, and then say okay. Okay. Then we try this, and then now if we do like repeat again from here, still we don't get it because we have to restart this. So we have to go back here and then click this one, and then just type Python. Okay, now you see I can see the Python version is 3.9 because now this command line knows where exactly it's installed. And if I want to also try the pip, we see it's not recognized again. So why is that? So we need to also go back to this, and then you see here we have script. So we have to also add this. Control, copy, and then we go back again to the we just search environment variable here. Okay, then not this one. System. Okay, this one, the system environment variable, and then we edit here, and then we come back here again to the path. Again, this is the path, and then we edit, and then we put the new here, and then we paste it here, and then we close everything. You just have to accept everything. See, and then we close also this one, and let's try. Okay, now you see you get a response because I've put all the necessary required path to the environment variable, to the system variable. So guys, that's very simple. So even when you type now Python, you see we get this. It doesn't directly send us to the Microsoft Store to install it because we already have installed it in our system. So it just now depends where you have installed your Python. And when you have installed a Python, for example, if you run installer, then you just need to go there and find out where you have installed and copy that path, and then after that you just edit the system variable, and then you'll be good to go. Thank you guys, and remember to subscribe and like if you like the video.